Hi, my name is Rich Williams, and today I'm going to show you how you can build your own AI agency offering no-code chatbots to customers. In just a few short minutes, you'll get access to the world's easiest no-code chatbot system. So stop whatever you're doing right now and pay close attention. If you've been trying to make money with AI and failed, overwhelmed with different systems and programs. The truth is, most systems on the internet are garbage. Here's why. Most of the systems are not detailed enough. They have missing steps or their instructions leave out vital information, assuming that you are experienced enough to fill in the blanks. No wonder affiliate marketing is so hard. The truth is, I too wasted countless years trying different systems. Most of them just left me with more questions than answers. I decided to change all that. So to solve the problem, I've spent the last 6 months putting together an AI agency that targets local tradespeople and builds you your own monopoly. There are hundreds of local tradespeople, all searching of chatbots to grow their businesses. I present to you AI Monopoly, the first AI chatbot agency that locates and targets local tradespeople. You'll get software that targets people in 17 different categories with email templates, a complete simple copy-paste system that requires no code. Now, the price of AI Monopoly sold by itself is valued at $4,997, but you won't pay $4,997 or $997. Instead, get the entire system today, just for $450. Okay, if you're ready to get started, click on the order button below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the inside.